Hey guys, it's Cooney's Kicks back at you with another unboxing. Let's get into it. I've been excited for this. Oh, I have some good boxing, I guess. Double boxed, triple boxed. Okay. I don't know if this is a good sign or a bad sign. Never had a triple box before. Okay, here they are. I have some KD7 and 7s. I got these dead stock on eBay for under retail for $140 shipped. I've wanted these for a while. I finally got them in my collection. Yeah, the N7 is on this shoe, and then the KD's on red in this shoe. I think it was released last year, but I didn't end up getting them. And I got them for under retail, so I guess I got a good deal. Retail is $150, and I got it for $140. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll try to post a new video sometime. Peace. I forgot to mention that on the heel toe, I don't know if you can see that, but it says Big Chucky right there. Big Chucky. Then there's a island right there. I can't remember what it is. The lightning bolt on the front, 3 stars on the back, the air unit, the black midsole, and then inside of the strap there's 3 names: Wanda, Barbara, and Wayne. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.